What's going on, y'all? It's Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I have finally found an app where you can get paid to watch videos. It is simple to use. I'm going to show you how it works here. So you'll see here my balance at the bottom is 13 cents. I'm going to click on these top three lines. Then we're going to click on Earn. I'm going to scroll down to Watch Videos. And then from there, click on Earn. Click on this Fiber. It's going to take me right into the video section. If I click Start Watching Videos, and then an ad, it will play for 30 seconds. You just kind of, basically just let the ad finish playing. And after that, you should be credited. It's really just that simple. So I'm going to fast forward through, most of it. But when it's done playing, you just basically exit out. And you'll see here, you watch the entire video correctly and receive 1 point. And this app, 1 point is equivalent to 1 cent. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard to see if I actually got credited for that. So going all the way back out, and you'll see there I got 14 cents. So just 1 cent for watching videos, and it is very difficult to find something like that. You know what I'm saying? I know that might not seem like a lot, but when you're trying to do something the easy way, like watching videos, they usually don't pay a lot, but 1 cent is really considered high. If you want to make more money with the app, I go back to this Earn section. You can play games here, just different tabs you can do with that. That's just one way. If I go back, you can do surveys. They had different surveys you can take, BitLabs and Pollfish. Those are quick survey tabs you can use. And also online shopping, different things you can do. So those are just ways to kind of get, more points if you're not just wanting to just let it accumulate slowly and watching videos. But, watching videos is something I use this app for pretty much every day. I just started using it, maybe a couple of days ago, so it hasn't been that long ago. But I did get proof from one of my friends that, he's been using this app for, a little bit over 3 months, and he's cashed out, plenty of time. So it is legit. Me personally, I've not gotten paid for it, but I've seen his payment proof, so I know it's something that works. So I'm going to bring it to your attention because I know everybody's trying to find something that, you can get paid to watch videos, and a lot of them will, kind of be sketchy, or they don't really work the way they're supposed to. But this is something that definitely works, easy to use. Getting paid 1 cent for your videos, you really can't beat that. So here it is. I will leave the link to this app in the description. Sign up, get paid to watch videos, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.